What's going on, everybody? I'm here with my friend Jack at PBM at possibly one of the best well-kept secrets at the show and in the automotive industry in general. Jack, talk to me a little bit about PBM.
Well, PBM's been around for a lot of years, and we have dealt pretty much exclusively with the professional engine builder and machine shop. And a lot of those people are very aware of what we do, but the general public not so much. Although I would venture to say there's many people who have PBM components in their engines. They just maybe are not aware of it because they put their trust in their engine builder, and their engine builder puts their trust in PBM. So a lot of history and a lot of good quality parts out there, just not something that most people may be aware of.
Now, Jack, you and I were talking about a lot of different parts you guys have, but it ranges all the way from small singular parts all the way up to complete kits to assemble an entire engine. Is that right?
That's right, Brian. We have engine parts, pretty much everything that's required to build a performance engine. And, you know, whether it's crankshafts and rods and pistons, complete rotating assemblies, on up to complete kits. And we also carry a lot of other leading brands like ARP and Profiler cylinder heads, many other things in addition to our own PBM brands.
And so basically what you're saying, you can put together an entire package that somebody's looking to build an engine. You can send them every single part, and then their machine shop, their guy can put it all together and have a complete package all from one source.
Right. We bundle complete engine kits. We have, I think, about 14 different kits that we offer, from small block Ford 363 street performance or drag race engine up through a 632 big block Chevy that's capable of making well in excess of 1,000 horsepower. And those kits contain everything you need right down to the break-in oil. All you're going to have to add is a carburetor or fuel injection, pretty much. And they come on a skid, so the engine builder, instead of sourcing parts from many different vendors and different invoices and different shipments, a skid comes in and it's got everything right there to put that engine together.
And that comes back to that well-kept secret, because a lot of people don't know that you guys offer kits like that, oh hey, I can order everything from one source, have it all shipped, and have everything that I need.
Yeah, that's true. And we also, an engine builder who has a particular combination that they build frequently, we can bundle a kit for that in addition to the stuff that we typically offer. So somebody can have their own package and we can just supply all those components in one nice bundle that comes in, and they're ready to go.
And that makes it really handy for anybody looking to build a custom engine.
It does, and they're good quality parts. These engines tend to run for a long time and perform very well.
Jack, that's obviously something really cool, getting an entire package together, take it to the machine shop, assemble it all in one hit. You don't have to order from a bunch of different companies. If somebody wanted to order one of these kits, have an engine completely ready to go, where could they go for more information?
Online at pbm-urson.com.
Keeping it simple. Thanks a lot, Jack. Really appreciate your time. Make sure that you stay tuned right here, Power Auto Media, for everything new coming out of PRI.